2004 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power driver's seat, OnStar, traction control, air conditioning, front, driver airbag, alloy wheels, automatic transmission, power steering, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.